Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm sharing with you a brand new 2018 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer, a stern drive sport cruiser powered by a 6.2 liter 300 horsepower Mercruiser motor. This boat provides at-home comfort, sleeping up to 4 people, and a layout that encourages socializing. As we board the stern, you'll notice lots of space on the swing deck and a stainless steel swim ladder that easily stows. And as you can see, this seat back easily adjusts with its articulating backrest to provide more room to take in the sunshine in the aft section of the boat. In the interior, you can see that you can be protected from the sun by an adjustable canvas off the fiberglass sport tower, which also has lights and speakers. There's plenty of seating, all with convenient storage beneath, and an extra wide Helm seat faces an easy to read analog dash, as well as the controls for the Rockford Fosgate premium sound system. As we get into the cabin, you can see the Sundancer has, among many amenities, a TV, DVD, refrigerator, microwave, sink, stovetop, ample space that's convertible for either sleeping or socializing, as well as additional storage space. Finally, you'll see a spacious head that comes with a holding tank. All in all, this is a great boat for day trips with your friends or overnights with your family, with all the convenience of home and the fun of a Sea Ray. If you'd like to learn more about this great new Sea Ray, discuss options and pricing, or take this boat out on the water for a sea trial, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.